Turkish drone industry's Bayraktar makes history with largest contract from Saudi Arabia. The Turkish drone industry continues to achieve remarkable success in the international market. On July 18, the leading Turkish drone company, Bayraktar, reportedly signed the largest defense contract in its history. The contract involves the order of the Akinci surveillance and attack drone by the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. The signing of the contract was a grand and historic event, attended by the President of Turkey, Tayyip Erdogan, and the Crown Prince of Saudi Arabia, Mohammed bin Salman. Representatives from Bayraktar and the Saudi Arabian Ministry of Defense were also present at the event, emphasizing the importance of this agreement in enhancing defense cooperation between the two countries. Before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so that we are more motivated. CEO of Bayraktar, Bayraktar, proudly stated that this contract is the largest defense and aviation export contract in the history of the company. This news was previously reported by Nikkei Asia on July 18. Bayraktar also provided additional information to the Turkish media regarding other ongoing agreements. It is expected that there will be other major agreements in the near future for the purchase of smart ammunition and other payloads from Turkey. Interestingly, this agreement will also involve local production, which can have a positive impact on Turkey's economy and defense industry. Although the news about the Akinci drone contract ordered by Saudi Arabia has garnered attention, detailed information about the value of this contract has not been disclosed publicly. This may be related to the secrecy of information regarding defense projects. Akinci, also known as the flying fish, is an advanced drone with a unique design. The drone has a wingspan of 20 meters and is powered by two 450 PS engines, making it a powerful and robust surveillance and attack aircraft. The Akinci drone has dimensions of 12.2 meters in length and 4.1 meters in height, with a takeoff weight of 5,500 kilograms and a maximum payload capacity of 1,350 kilograms. Its flying capabilities are very impressive, with a maximum altitude of 12,192 meters and the ability to stay airborne for 25 hours and 46 minutes. As a modern drone, Akinci is equipped with locally produced AESA radar technology. This capability will enhance the drone's mission efficiency in detecting and tracking targets, as well as contribute to a better air defense system. In addition, the Akinci drone has the capability to carry various types of weapons, including smart micro-munitions, MAML, from Roketsan, air-to-air missiles Göktagan, Merlin, and Bozdogan, Peregrine. The drone can also launch several other locally produced ammunition types, such as the standoff missile, SOM, from Roketsan, with a range of up to 150 kilometers. Another remarkable achievement of the Akinci drone was when it successfully launched the first air-to-ground supersonic missile in Turkey, the TRG-230 IHA, hitting a target over 100 kilometers away last year. This makes Akinci the only UCAV or unmanned combat aerial vehicle capable of launching air-to-ground supersonic ballistic missiles. Akinci has also undergone a series of tests using the latest generation guidance kit, accurately launching 1,000-pound or 455-kilogram -83 Malawian Quachas bombs, equipped with the Gaki guidance system. Moreover, Akinci has successfully passed tests using a Celson's laser guidance kit, enabling the drone to attack targets with high precision. The use of the laser guidance system in conjunction with the -82 Malawian Quachas bomb, also produced by a Celson, demonstrates the advanced weaponry system possessed by the Akinci drone. Not only can Akinci operate independently, but it can also operate synergistically with other fighter jets such as the F-16 Fighting Falcon, strengthening the capabilities of the Air Force in executing defense and attack missions. The ability of the Akinci drone to act as the mother drone for a drone swarm attack is also noteworthy. The drone can release and control domestically produced Albago kamikaze drones, adding a strategic dimension to military operations involving multiple drones to achieve specific objectives. This largest contract with Saudi Arabia brings pride to the Turkish drone industry, reaffirming its position as one of the leading drone manufacturers in the world. With its advanced and innovative capabilities, the Akinci drone is ready to make a significant contribution to maintaining peace and security in the region, and opening up further opportunities for cooperation in the future. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on interesting defense and military technology information in the future.